let's go back to our rectangle here. Let's say we've got a rectangle. This is W and the length is L. Okay. The formula for the perimeter is it's like an ant walking. The distance that an ant has to walk around this shape. So it would be W here plus L. So from here to here it would be L, and then down again. So it would be W again, and then back to its original position, which is plus L again. And elephant, elephant, so it'd be 2W plus 2L. Well, we came up with a formula for the perimeter. Now we can come up with a formula for the area of a rectangle as well. Well, the formula for the rectangle is the formula for the area is basically you get the height here and then you drag it all the way to the end here. So that would give us the amount of space that this rectangle takes up. So start with W here, and then you times it. You times it by L. So you drag it all across here. So it will give you the whole area. Okay. So basically, the area of a rectangle is given by WL. So here's another formula. Can you see? Oh, sometimes we instead of writing area all the time, we just write A equals WL. So basically, this is a formula. Because if you look at this here, there's only one thing equals blah 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 blah. There's only one thing on the left hand side. Here's also a formula. So because there's only one thing equal, there's only one thing on the left hand side. So here, if you want to find out the area of a rectangle, then if you just need to look at the formula. It says get W and then times by L. Okay. So if I give you a formula, if I give you a rectangle here like this, let's say this is 5 and this is 9. Okay, if you want to know the perimeter, then use this formula: P equals 2W plus 2L. Okay, basically you put the well, this is L, isn't it? Then you put it into here. Okay, and then put the W here. Well, this is W here. Put the W into here. So basically, perimeter equals 2. Well, what's W here? W is 5, isn't it? So put 5 into here. Okay, and then plus 2L. So put this is L here, isn't it? So put 9 into here. So this would be 10. So this whole bubble here is 10 plus then this plus this bubble here. 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, so basically the perimeter is 28. Now remember the formula for the area. It's basically the height here times, drag it all the way across here, which is, A equals WL. So basically it's basically like this: 1 W times, when two things are next to each other, it means times L. Well, W here is 5, so put it into here. So it's basically area equals 5 times, put the L into here. So it will be 9 here. Okay, so now just get 5. So the area is 5 times 9, which is 45. So the area is 45. Okay. The good thing about formulas is that sometimes you don't actually need to understand a formula. You just follow the instruction. For example, let's say V equals U plus A T. Okay. A scientist will come up with this formula, and they will give it to you. They're saying that let's say the speed of a car is given by V here, and U here is how. Basically, you don't actually need to understand this. You just know how to use it. So, for example, a scientist will give you this and say, the speed of a car is given by this. V is like the speed, velocity. Let's just say, if you want to know how fast a car is going, work out V. That will tell you how fast the car is going. So they will give you a problem. Say the U here, the the initial speed of a car, let's say is 3, okay, you don't actually need to understand this fully. But A here, the acceleration of the car is let's say 4, and the time is say, I don't know, 7 here. Okay, if you want to know, but basically a scientist will give you this formula. You don't actually understand this formula here. They just give it to you, and then if you want to know the speed of the car, just work out the V here. Okay, they will say, they will tell you, if you want to work out the speed of the car, work out V. They will give you something like this. So you don't actually understand the formula. So let's just use it anyway. We want to know V because the scientist is telling us to find out the speed of the car, work out V. Okay, so now we're just working out V. We don't really understand it. So now, now this is U plus what's U? U is 3, isn't it? Well, look at this. This is U here. U is 3, so put it in here. Remember, these are just the conditions. The scientists will give us this condition here. Okay, they will give us this and this. So we just put it into the formula. We just look at the formula. We just learn how to use the formula, basically. So U, let's put the 3 into the U here. So 3 here, and remember it's plus A. This is A here. Times T, because if you look at this here, this is U here, this is A here, and this is T here. Okay, so now A, well, you put that into here, which is 4. Okay, and T here, 7, you put it into here, 7. Okay, so let's have a look at this here. Now V equals 3 plus, well, let's do this. You always have to do timesing is more important than adding and take away. So you've got to do the multiplication first and then the add. So basically work out this first. Okay. So 4 times 7 is 28. So well, basically the 3, take it down. Well, this whole bubble here is 28. So now just tidy up. 3 plus 28 is 31. So the speed of the car is 31. Okay. The point is that sometimes people they give you a formula. You don't actually understand the formula. Whether V equals U plus AT. You don't actually understand the formula, but you can just put figures into here and then into here and into here to find out what you want to know, which is the speed of the car. For example. Okay, I will give you more examples and then you see what I mean.